Welcome back to World by Boat. I'm Nadia Warszawska, yacht charter broker, and today I'm with yacht chef Kelly on Omakase.
Hi, I'm the chef on Omakase. We're a 68-foot power catamaran from Horizon.
How to organize the most stress-free vacation? Kelly, what do you think?
I truly believe that your most stress-free vacation would be to book a charter on a boat. So that means that all your needs are taken care of from the moment you step on board. Having a crew like myself and the captain means that you don't have to think about what you're cooking, where you're going, what your children are doing. I will always take care of every meal from breakfast to lunch, a mid-afternoon snack and a 3-course dinner every night. And then the captain will keep your family busy with water sports, going ashore, and just entertainment overall. He also makes pretty good cocktails.
So can you imagine you just booking at the yacht, and additional to that yacht, you already have everything included: destinations, itinerary, meals. You don't have to book any restaurants. You don't have to think.
No taxis, no restaurants. It's all included. We think about everything for you. Actually, one of the most common feedbacks that we get from parents, especially mums, is that this was the first vacation that they had where they didn't need another vacation from going away with family.
I think it was the best plot of this video.
That was true.
Yes, this is the most important, because we're talking about real experience right now. So what do you think, what makes difference between you as a yacht chef and professional chef in the restaurant where guests can go and enjoy a couple meals?
I think, first of all, in the restaurant, it's already more formal. So if you are on the boat for a week and you don't want to go out for a formal meal every night, that's fine. We can adjust what we do. We can make one night family style barbecue. We can make another night a really fancy 3-course meal. So you have that flexibility. And then on top of that, it's just me working by myself. I don't have a team of chefs to help. But we do still strive to make everything to your preference. So your menu is fully customized. We even can run it through you before you come on board, just to make sure that everyone's on the same page and that everyone's happy with what's going to be given at meal times, especially if you have children that might be picky eaters. We could discuss all of that, just make sure that we have everything on board to make sure you've got the best.
So you have the possibility to enjoy your private chef cuisine, and I'm sure the chef never will stop even you to go and try that restaurant food. Yeah.
I mean, you've always got the option to go ashore and eat at the restaurant, but it's just really nice to know that you don't need to. That's not your only option. You've always got food on board, but if one night you decide you want to go out for a meal ashore, that's totally fine as well. But it's nice to have the option.
Yeah, I think it's most that even like you taking some hotel for a week for vacation, you having other home.
Yeah.
This is like how it feels like, yeah.
Yeah, it's very private. It's just you and your family or you and your friends. And I mean, it's like your own hotel for a week, basically.
That sounds amazing. So welcome on board our catamaran Omakase. Here is Chef Kelly, and she will take care about you.
Yeah, we look forward to having you on board.